15 best website to make money online. You don't always have to spend money to make money. If you want to launch a side gig to generate regular part-time income, or if you are looking for some quick extra cash, there are websites that can help you do it. Of course, it depends on your definition of quick cash, as sometimes earn fast cash still means putting a decent time investment. That's why our list of way to make money online is a order from approximately the longest time investment of the shortest time investment, because time is after all money. Consider this top resource to make money online. Fiverr. Here included some set for making money online. First of all, Fiverr, Upwork, TaskRabbit, TaskRabbit, Mars by Amazon, Negabor, Fatal, Llama, Onta.com, user interviews, ThreadUp, Swap, Kazel, Cartsell, quick keyword. Dependent on whether you are looking extra money quickly or have built a long-term income stream. Each of the following asset offering key or unique advantage. Fiverr, how it works. This is popular website that can be helpful for freelancers know something about digital animation. You can work for someone who doesn't have this skill and pick up some extra cash. Even better, you can offer to compile web pieces for someone highlight. You can make good money from the site then Bosico, a web designer and a digital stranger in Albany, New York, who runs a small company called Bookend Designer. He says he's from earn $3,000 to $5,000 per month from Fiverr. To stay ahead of the competition, I make sure my Fiverr profile and gig description are well written and communicate the value of the service I am offering. When someone reaches out to me, I make sure reply as quickly as I can and follow up the inquiry by asking good question. A quick, carefully written reply will increase the audio drawbacks of work. Time investment possibly considerable if you are asked to create about like a business company, business and freelancers. You can conclusion, highlight, dark work, stay if you are artist or person who can make custom jewelry or refrigerator magnets, best person to sell your product. Trust ever are you willing to get a hand to site transfers to various tasks and services putting together broad bookcast clean out Mars by Amazon manager from website called mysupplementstore.com. Do you have a storage space in your house, or maybe an empty garage or a storage sheet? You could rent out this space on Negabo.com. This is sort of like airborne from the self-storage industry. Offer if you don't have the energy to hold yourself. Offer often maybe the next best thing after you take a picture of what you have a price of flat Leonardo. Do you have a lot of nice stuff that you think people listening about Negavo or to rent out for instance, maybe you have an expensive telescope or camera that offers highlight or trade off stuff. So you can see this here some I said for making money online. Test driver.